for 1.4, we're gonna use some math models to kind of predict behavior. So I'm just gonna read and we'll talk about patterns again. But basically, the area of a square is the side length squared. So what they're saying is when I have a square, remember by very definition of a square means that all the sides are the same length.
Equal.
Yep, or equal or congruent, right? So, but it says that the area is the length, I'm recording, times the width. So the area is going to be the length of the square times the width of the square, but that's the same as s times s or s squared. Does that make sense?
Yes.
All right, now shh. It says complete each table. So the first one's done for us, but I want to use it as an example. So if we think about this, I have an input, which is s equals something, whatever it is, that goes into my function. In this particular case, we square it, and then that spits out our function evaluated at s, right? Which is also the output. So what's 1 squared?
1.
What's 2 squared?
4.
What's 3 squared?
9.
9, right? So does that make sense? Now remember, these points, 1 and 1 squared, that's a point on the xy plane, right? So if I go over 1, up 1, that's that there. For this one, if I say 2 comma 2 squared, which is 4, if I go over 2, up 4, that's another point on the xy plane. Does that make sense?
Yes.
And then I'll do the last one, 5, and then when we plug it into our machine, 5 squared is 25. So if I come over here to 5 and go up to 25, that's the point right here, 5 comma 25. Are there any questions on that?
No, sir.